Alright, Tech Fam, today I'm putting Bmani's 2026 active noise cancelling headphones to the test. You've seen their earbuds everywhere, but these new over-ear headphones promise to shake up the budget ANC game. So, are they really the best bang for your buck? Let's dive in. First up, active noise cancelling. Bmani's hybrid ANC is legit this year. 4 layers, an ultra-fast chip, and it claims to cut out up to 95% of background noise. I tried it on a busy subway and honestly, it's wild. Even airplane engines faded into the background and it switched modes in, like the blink of an eye. Battery life? Insane. I got nearly a week of use, 120 hours without plugging in. And if you're low on juice, a 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of listening. There's even a digital battery display right on the headphones, so no more guessing. If you're a gamer or streamer, Bluetooth 6.0 is a game changer. I noticed almost zero lag, just 35 ms latency, and they work wired too if you're chasing that lossless sound. Sound quality? For under $100, the 40mm drivers and 360-degree spatial audio give you a surprisingly full soundstage. Calls are crisp thanks to a 6-mic ENC system, and I had zero issues with voice clarity, even outside on a windy day. Comfort-wise, the Cloud Comfort padding feels plush, even after hours of wear. But, heads up, these are a little bulky. Not ideal if you're tossing them in a tiny bag. And sure, audiophiles might still crave the richness of a $400 pair. But for most of us, the sound feels more than satisfying. If you're more into workouts, Bmani's T16 earbuds are still the move. Secure fit, physical controls, and crazy battery life. So, are Bmani's 2026 headphones the best budget ANC out right now? For daily use, travel, and even gaming, yeah, they're seriously impressive. Let me know your thoughts or questions down below.